Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Apple's latest iOS 26.4 update is rolling out, and this release brings some of the most exciting features we've seen so far in the iOS 26 cycle. Whether you're a casual user or a power user, these changes aren't just incremental, they genuinely enhance the way you interact with your iPhone every day. Today, we're breaking down the 5 best new features in iOS 26.4 and why they matter. First up, enhanced lock screen widgets are finally here. iOS 26 introduced widgets, but in 26. Fourth of Apple has expanded both their functionality and customization. You can now add interactive widgets that update in real time, like live sports scores, task list completion, or even interactive music controls right on the lock screen. This means you spend less time unlocking your phone and more time getting straight to the information you care about. Second, smarter notifications. Apple has refined its notification system to prioritize what truly matters. With iOS 26.4, notifications are grouped more intelligently based on your usage patterns and context. Important alerts now surface with smart banners that are less intrusive but more visible when needed. This change significantly reduces distraction without sacrificing essential alerts. Third, battery health enhancements have arrived, and this feature is a win for anyone who's felt battery anxiety since earlier software releases. iOS 26.4 includes advanced battery health diagnostics that give deeper insights into your battery performance, usage history, and even personalized suggestions to improve longevity. It's detailed, easy to read, and something many users have been requesting for a long time. The fourth major feature is system-wide translation improvements. Apple's native translation tools have been upgraded with more languages and more accurate context recognition. Whether you're translating text in apps, live conversations, or even camera-based translation, iOS 26.4 feels faster and more reliable. This is especially helpful for travelers, students, or anyone communicating across languages. Last but certainly not least, security and privacy upgrades. Apple hasn't just patched bugs, they've introduced stronger protections across background app tracking, microphone and camera access, and on-device machine learning. This means your personal data stays safer by default without you needing to tweak dozens of settings manually. Overall, iOS 26.4 is more than a maintenance update, it's a thoughtful refinement that focuses on real-world usage. Enhanced widgets make your iPhone more informative at a glance, smarter notifications reduce overwhelm, battery insights empower better usage decisions, translation boosts communication worldwide, and security upgrades protect what matters most. If you haven't downloaded iOS 26.4 yet, it's worth your time. These new features may seem small individually, but together they create a smoother, smarter, and more secure experience. This update proves that Apple is doubling down on usability and personalization, and that's something all iPhone users can appreciate. That's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.